How to access Coursera through your organization. Imagine gaining access to thousands of world-class courses at your fingertips, all courtesy of your organization. Coursera, one of the leading online learning platforms, offers this opportunity to employees and members through its corporate partnership programs. But how exactly can you tap into this rich reservoir of knowledge via your organization? Let's break it down step by step. Understanding Coursera's corporate partnerships. Coursera partners with various organizations, from multinational corporations to educational institutions, to provide employees and students with access to its extensive course catalog. These partnerships are designed to upskill teams, foster continuous learning, and promote professional development. If your organization has a partnership with Coursera, you're in for a treat. Checking your eligibility. The first step is to determine if your organization offers Coursera as a benefit. Typically, HR departments or internal communications will announce such partnerships. If you're unsure, it's best to reach out to your HR or learning and development team. Look for internal emails, newsletters, or a dedicated training portal that might have this information. Setting up your Coursera account. Once you confirm your eligibility, setting up your Coursera account is straightforward. Receive an invitation. Most organizations will send you an invitation email with a link to join Coursera. This link is often personalized and tied to your organizational email. Create or log into Coursera. Click on the invitation link and follow the prompts. If you already have a Coursera account with your organizational email, log in. If not, you'll need to create a new account. Verify your details. Coursera will ask for your basic information to verify your connection to the organization. Ensure you use your official email address to avoid any hiccups. Access your courses. Once your account is set up, you can browse and enroll in courses available through your organization's Coursera subscription. Making the most of your Coursera access. Now that you have access, it's time to maximize this opportunity. Here are some tips. Set learning goals. Identify specific skills or knowledge areas you want to improve. Coursera's extensive library can cater to virtually any professional development need. Create a learning schedule. Consistency is key. Dedicate time each week to work through your chosen courses. Engage with peers. Many courses have discussion forums. Engage with fellow learners to enhance your understanding and make the experience more enriching. Apply what you learn. Don't just complete courses, apply the knowledge in your workplace. This not only reinforces learning but also showcases your commitment to professional growth. Benefits of learning through your organization. Accessing Coursera through your organization comes with several advantages. Cost savings. Your organization often covers the cost of the courses, making this a no-cost opportunity for you to expand your skills. Tailored learning paths. Many organizations curate specific learning paths aligned with their goals, ensuring that you gain relevant skills. Certification. Completing courses often results in certifications that can enhance your resume and career prospects. Practical advice for success. Stay motivated. Set personal milestones to track your progress and keep motivation levels high. Seek support. If you encounter challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to Coursera support or your organization's learning team. Share your achievements. Let your organization know about the courses you've completed. This can open doors to new opportunities and recognition. Are you ready to elevate your skills and career through Coursera? What course are you excited to start with?